Hello students, I hope you must have had a lot of fun during the holidays. मुझे आशा है कि आपने छुट्टियों में बहुत मज़े किए होंगे. And you have done also summer vacations homework और खेलने के साथ साथ में homework भी किया होगा. Now let's start today's session. This session for class UKG, subject maths, lecture number 10, topic will be counting 101 to 150, chapter 2. And one more thing, एक चीज़ और कि you had to do the summer vacation holidays work and send it to given ID. Have you all sent? If you have not sent, then now you have to send. आपको अपना हॉलीडे होमवर्क करके आईडी जो आपको दी हुई है उस पर आपको भेजना था. जिन पेरेंट्स ने नहीं भेजा है वो अब भेज सकते हैं. Now start today's work. So write down date, D A T E, date. Then leave one box and write down D capital, A Y small letter. It's day. Then here यहाँ पे write down C dot W. It means class work. C for class, W for work. Now here write down capital C O U N T I N G. Counting. COUNTING, it means counting. C should be capital, OUNTING small letters. Then leave one box, write down here 101 means 101. Then make sleeping line and write down 150. It's 150. And you have to write neat and clean in your notebook. So here write down H for 100, T for tens, O for ones. Now here write down 101, 101, 102, 102. Again write down 10 and here 3. It's 103. Now here write down 104, 104, 105, 105. Next is 106, 106. Here 107, 107, 108, 108, 109. It's 109, 110. It's 110. Now here again leave one box, एक बार छोड़ेंगे. Then write down here H, H for 100, T for tens, very good, O for ones, 100, tens, ones. Now here what comes here? What comes after 110? 111. So write down here 1, 1, 1. You have to write 3 times 1. It's 111. Now write down 1, 1, 2. 112. 1, 1, 3. 113. 1, 1, 4. 114. 1, 1, 5. 115. Here, यहाँ पे 1, again 1, then here 6. 116. 1, 1, 7. 117. 1, 1, 8. 118. 1, 1, 9. 119. Here 1, 2, 0. 120. 120. Then here leave one box and write down here H for 100, T for tens, O for ones. Very good. And here 1, 2, 1. It's 121. So write down 1, 2, 2. 122. 1, 2, 3. 123. 1, 2, 4. 124. Yes, here 1, 2. Here write down 5. 125. Now here 1, 2, 6. 126. 1, 2, 7. 127. 1, 2, 8. 128. 1, 2, 9. 129. 1, 3, 0. It's 130. Now here again leave one box and write down here H for 100, T for tens, O for ones. So write down here 1, 3, 1. 131. 1, 3, 2. 132. 1, 3, 3. 133. 1, 3, 4. 134. 1, 3, 5. 135. 1, 3, 6. 136. 1, 3, 7. 137. 1, 3, 8. 138. 1, 3, 9. 139. 1, 4, 0. 140. It's 140. Now turn your page. Here write down H, T for tens, O for ones. 100, tens, ones. So here write down 1, 4, 1. It's 141. 1, 4, 2. 142. 1, 4, 3. 143. 1, 4, 4. 144. 1, 4, 5. 145. 1, 4, 6. 146. 1 4 7 147 1 4 8 148 1 4 9 149 1 5 0. It's 150. Now write down HW. In homework you have to learn. L-E-A-R-N. L should be capital, E-A-R-N small letter. These are small letters. And here slash, write down R capital, E small, W again small, R-I-T. Rewrite. Learn and rewrite. Then leave one box. Then write down THE, the. C.W. Both are capital. C.W means classwork. Learn and rewrite the classwork. आपको याद भी करना है और इसको लिखना भी है. तो ये आपकी काउंटिंग है 101 से 150. आपको एक दिन में सिर्फ 101 से 150 लिखनी है. इन अनदर डे, सेकेंड डे में आप फिर इसको रिपीट करेंगे 101 to 150. So it's your homework and you have to write neat and clean, and it's also classwork also. ये आपका classwork भी है और homework भी है. So subscribe this channel if you like my video that it is this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.